Mahi, are you ready? Yes? Okay. All right. Judges, please note we have Mahi and her number on your sheet is number 2. All the best to Mahi. That was Mahi G. Rao for us, and that was contestant number 2. Contestant number 4, Manishka Kulal, will now perform. Meanwhile, I request KM Varsha to be ready for her performance. Manishka, are you ready? Thank you, Manishka. We move over to contestant number 6, KM Varsha. I'll be giving you the mic. Do you have some music accompanying? Have you given it? Okay, I'll give you the mic in a while, Varsha. Meanwhile, I request contestant number 7, Yashaswini, to keep the music ready. Yashaswini, please keep your music ready because you will be the next performer. Yashaswini, please be ready. Varsha, please take stage. Because I know that it's going to be a difficult decision for judges as we have different types of talents coming on stage, and I feel tempted to say very well done and all that when they perform so well, but I'm not going to say anything because I need to remain neutral. Okay, we move over to the next contestant, and that is Yashaswini. Meanwhile, I request Sakshi Shetty to be ready. Sakshi Shetty to be ready. Sakshi Shetty, please report backstage. Yes, Sakshi Shetty, report backstage, and Yashaswini, all set for your performance. All the best.
¿Dónde está mi gente? Say yeah, yeah, yeah.
On number 8, we have Sakshi Shetty. Sakshi, just wait for a minute. Number 9 is Sharath. I request Sharath to report at the sound system. Sakshi Shetty, are you ready? Yes.
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆ ಹಾಂ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾರ
ಕಂಬದ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಗೊಂಬೆ ನಂಬಲೆ ನಾನಿನ್ನ ನಗೆಯನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಿಯ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಚಿತ್ತಾರವೇ ಚಿತ್ರಗೊಟ್ಟ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರವ ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಪ್ಪೋ ಬಂದಿರು ಕಬ್ಬು ಹರಿಯುವುದೇನ ಹಬ್ಬವಾಗುವುದೇನ ಕಂಬದ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಗೊಂಬೆ ನಂಬಲೆ ನಾನಿನ್ನ ನಗೆಯನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಿಯ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಚಿತ್ತಾರವೇ ಚಿತ್ತಗೊಟ್ಟ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರವ ನೀರೊಳೆಯ ನಿಗಿಕೆಂಡ ಸತ್ಯವೇ ಈ ಅಭ್ಯಂಜನವಿನ್ನು ನಿತ್ಯವೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಮಗುಡುತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಸನೆ ಹರಡಿರಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀರೊಳೆಯ ನಿಗಿಕೆಂಡ ಸತ್ಯವೇ ಈ ಅಭ್ಯಂಜನವಿನ್ನು ನಿತ್ಯವೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಮಗುಡುತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಸನೆ ಹರಡಿರಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ನಾನಿರಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಪ್ಪು ಬಂದಿರನ ಮಬ್ಬು ಹರಿಯುವುದೇನ ಹಬ್ಬವಾಗುವುದೇನ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you. Yes, audience, you have people of all age groups coming here and performing. They need your encouragement. So, shall we hear it for all of them? Louder, please. Well, contestants, those of you who have finished performing, you can have your refreshment. Divya D'Souza will help you with it. If you want to go and have your refreshment, you can have your refreshment. Meanwhile, I once again thank the City Centre and Modi Sham for giving us this wonderful opportunity of hosting Mangaluru Habba's Talent Parva here at the City Centre. Sharath, give me just a couple of minutes. Here comes the second spot prize of the evening, and for this there will be many contenders, I am sure. Okay, Uma, you missed a spot prize in spite of having a Devi's name because you came a little late. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to introduce the president of Innovil Club, Savita Shetty. You have the banner of Innovil there, and members of Innovil, Jayashri, Uma, and Vani, of course, and I myself I am a member of Innovil. The second spot prize of the evening is for both men and women. The first spot prize was dedicated to Mangalore, and I said Mangalore was named after Mangala Devi, and I wanted those with the name of a goddess to come here, and Vani won that. Our Saraswati of the evening won that. The second is, now this is Talent Parba, Mangaluru Habba. If you go to the second word, it is two syllable. Habba Parba, two syllable. Those of you, Vani, only one prize for the evening. Those of you who have a name with two syllables only, two syllables only, ಎರಡೇ. ಈಗ ವಾಣಿ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಎರಡೇ ಆಯಿತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದವರು ಬನ್ನಿ 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 ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಎರಡು ಉಮ್ಮಾಸ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ. ಹೇಳು ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಸಿರಿ.
ಸಿರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಿರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗು, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಾಣಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? Oh, you want to sing? We'll give you time for that. Don't worry, we will give you time for that. Yes. She's a little one, yes, okay.
ಸ್ವಾತಿ.
Swati. You all can come because we are going to draw. Lucky draw this is. Okay. Swati, come here. Swati is there, Siri is there. Come up, come up. All right. Uma says she's not coming. So to the little girls, we will have two small prizes to both of them. Obeda, can you come here? So Obeda, please honor these two little children here. And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Swati and Siri as they win the prize. And Nakshatra, the stage is all yours. Thank you, Nakshatra. Nakshatra was contestant number 10.